Hi guys, it's Miahjay here. Today I am back with another episode of Miahjay's at Home. I'm going to be making for you all my delicious vegan chocolate cake. Chocolate cake is one of those delicacies that everyone loves. It's like the guilty pleasure that we just have to have, but we know we might not necessarily need to have. So what I did was created a vegan version of it that's guilt-free. So you can enjoy a nice piece of chocolate cake without the extra added calories and all of the extra stuff that's not good for you. The base of my chocolate vegan cake is going to be almond flour. So my almond flour is packed with vitamin E, low in carbohydrates, and high in fiber. Equals won't make you fat. I'm going to start with my chocolate. I have here a bar of chocolate that I just chopped up into a couple of different pieces. What I'm going to do is take about 3 tablespoons of some butter flavored coconut oil and put it into my chocolate. And then I'm gonna put this on the stove over a pot of boiling water to melt it. So come on over. So I have my 5-year-old Empress here. She came to join me in the kitchen. Say hi, Empress.
Hi.
Well, tell them what I'm gonna do right here. What am I doing with this chocolate?
She's gonna melt the chocolate in a pan.
So as she just said, I am melting the chocolate in the pan. This is the chocolate that you saw in the bowl a couple seconds ago that I added the coconut oil to. So let me get my spatula and I'm just gonna stir. We're gonna have to add some chocolate ganache to the top of the cake because she just loves chocolate so much. What I did was I poured some water into the pot and I turned it on high so that it could start boiling. And then I set my glass bowl into the pot and now I'm just stirring it so that it can melt and get mixed in with the oil that I put in here. As you guys can see, it's melted, so I'm gonna go ahead and remove it from the heat and let it cool down just a little bit. Well, actually, I'm gonna let it cool completely down to room temperature so that when I start mixing it with the other ingredients, it won't be too hot.
And then, after it's done, every chef has to taste their food because sometimes food doesn't taste good and you don't taste it.
It smells so delicious. As a matter of fact, it smelled so delicious that my other daughter came down so she could try to sneak her a taste of it. Say hi. We have Talia here. So Talia's gonna come and help me finish making these mini chocolate cakes and also try to sneak her in a couple of bites along the process. But anyway, I'm gonna add it to my almond flour. So I'm gonna pour it over. You wanna mix it? Why you whispering? So Empress wants to mix it, so. Okay, hold on, wait a second, wait a minute. Use my spatula to make sure I get every little piece of chocolate out the bottom of the bowl. Here you go, lick away. And then I'm just gonna give it a quick little toss here. Okay, I did promise you to mix it. Go ahead, mix away. So I got Empress here mixing away for me. What I'm gonna add is a couple little sprinkles of kosher salt. Then a tablespoon, well actually 2 tablespoons of honey, if I can, here you go, yeah, 2 tablespoons of honey. And honey is a natural sweetener, so I'm gonna use this in the place of sugar. So I added my honey. What I have here is an egg replacement that I'm gonna add to the mixture. It's the egg replacement for the vegans out there. Hold on, let's mix. For this, I want it to be a little bit thick, not too watery. And what I'm gonna do is add some butter extract and some vanilla extract. Hold on, and I'm just gonna eyeball it.
Ooh, what about the rum? I can't mix it, Mom.
Oh yeah, rum. Okay, Talia wants to add rum, so we're gonna add some rum too. We're gonna add just a drop of that into our batter.
That wasn't a drop.
That was a drop.
In adult terms.
It smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it.
I can smell it.
I know, but the people that's watching can't. But they'll be able to smell it when they're at home making it, and they'll know that it smells so good. And they'll be able to taste it and see that it tastes so good too. Yes, yes. This is Noe, my 3-year-old that I was telling you guys about earlier, and I guess she's smelling the chocolate too, so they're all just coming down here. You want to help me mix? Come on, let's go mix. Come on. On a Friday night or a Saturday morning, Sunday morning, or whatever you want to have a little treat and spend some time with your kids and your family, this is the perfect recipe to do it with. Look, they get involved, they get to mixing, they can learn how to make a dish and all, you know, have fun. So this is what we do here at the dance. You mixing the chocolate cake too? Yeah? Okay. All right, well, can mommy go ahead and put it in the oven now? As you all can see, this is one of the Dancel's favorites over here. That's why they're all crowded around me. I'm gonna add to the top some pecans. We love nuts over here, so baked goods and nuts just go together very well for me. Yes, baby. You help? You wanna help? Okay, go ahead. Here you go. At home when you're making this, you can add whatever type of nuts you like. If you don't like nuts, you don't have to add any at all. It's just one of those additions that I like to do.
After she's done putting it in the oven, she's gonna take them out with a fresh, yummy chocolate pecan cake.
Okay, in the oven we go. So I have my chocolate ganache that I'm gonna take in, just drizzle over the top of the chocolate cake. And I'm just gonna take a nice spoonful and drizzle, drizzle, drizzle. I have some fresh strawberries that I sliced, and I'm just gonna take it and put one on each side for a nice garnish, and a couple pieces on top. My mini vegan chocolate cake. What?